is dead.
I believe in you, Santa Claus.
You've saved Christmas 1,000 times.
You're not even real!
Maybe this time, let Christmas save you.
I'm Santa.
Most AI video tools make you guess. You write a long prompt, hit generate, and hope the result looks cinematic. If it doesn't, you regenerate again and again until something finally works. Cinema Studio was built to end that entire guessing game. Instead of fighting the tool, you start like a filmmaker with one intentional frame and turn it into a cinematic shot. What you're seeing right now is exactly that approach in action. In Higgsfield Cinema Studio, you're not just generating visuals. You can select the camera, choose the lens, and even control the focal length, just like you would on a real film set. If you're new here, Higgsfield is one of the fastest-growing Gen AI platforms, and their focus is very clear. They're building tools that are creator-friendly, predictable, and designed around real creative intent. Cinema Studio is their biggest step yet toward what real AI cinema should look like. Cinema Studio isn't about random motion or flashy effects. It's about cinematic structure. Let's break this down step by step in a simple, easy way and create a cinematic video together. First, click the link in the description to open the Higgsfield AI website. You'll see multiple tools here, but the one we need is Cinema Studio. So go ahead and select Cinema Studio. Once it opens, you'll notice something immediately, a clean, intuitive interface. The dashboard showcases cinematic examples with dynamic camera angles and professional movement. This is where Higgsfield really stands out. Everything is built for creators, so you're not guessing settings or wasting time on endless iterations. Next step, image generation basics. To begin, we need an image. You can either upload your own image or generate one using a text prompt. For this demo, I'll generate an image using a prompt. Here's the prompt I'm using. A cinematic film-style shot of a man walking through an urban street, moody lighting, realistic atmosphere, high-end movie visuals. For now, I'll generate just one image. Next, set the resolution to 4K. This is important. 4K ensures sharp details, rich textures, and a premium cinematic look. Now, camera and lens settings. This is where Higgsfield does something most tools don't. You get real camera options, like an actual film creator would use. For the camera, I'll select the ARRI Alexa 25, a legendary cinema camera used in Hollywood productions. Next, the lens. I'll choose an ARRI Signature Prime lens with a 24mm focal length. This combination creates a wide, immersive, cinematic feel. Why does this matter? Resolution controls clarity. The camera affects depth and realism, and the lens defines how cinematic and dramatic your shot feels. Higgsfield makes all of this simple. No technical struggle, no learning curve. Once everything looks good, click Generate. It takes a little time, and your cinematic image is ready. And look at this. The lighting, the depth, the atmosphere. It genuinely looks like a Hollywood movie frame. The background feels alive. The mood is realistic. The emotion is there. Now, notice these options. You can use multi-shot to generate up to 9 different angles from the same image. You can also use this image as a reference, set it as a start frame or end frame, animate it, upscale it. Everything, generation, camera data, lens info, upscaling, all in one place. That's what I personally like most about Higgsfield. Now I'll download this image because we're turning it into a video. Before generating the video, here are a few quick tips. Be descriptive in your prompt. Include lighting, mood, and motion. Experiment with camera movement like zooms or pans. Always use 4K for professional quality and future edits. These small details make a massive difference. Now let's create the video. Click the video option below the image. You'll see options for start frame and end frame, both optional. You can generate a video using only a start frame. Upload the image as your start frame. Now enter the scene description. A cinematic movie-style scene showing a man walking through a city street with dramatic lighting and realistic film-quality visuals. Next, choose a camera movement. There are many options: static, handheld, zoom, drone. For this one, I'll choose zoom in for a smooth cinematic motion. Set the video duration to 5 seconds. Enable audio if you want ambient sound. I'll keep slow motion off for this version. I'll generate just one video. Click Generate. And just like that, your first cinematic video is ready. Smooth movement, professional framing, no manual animation required. Now let's create a slow motion version. I'll keep everything the same, but change a few things. Camera movement, drone shot, duration, 10 seconds. Enable slow motion. Click Generate. Slow motion adds emotion and realism, perfect for cinematic storytelling, music visuals, or dramatic scenes. Higgsfield handles everything automatically. No frame interpolation issues, no motion blur problems. And here's the result. Look at the footsteps, the background movement, the wind, the ambiance, the life in the frame. It genuinely feels cinematic. And yes, the smoke coming out of the mouth looks like winter, so it actually works. Nice touch. I also tested this image using multi-shot. After a few minutes, you can see the same person, same background, same environment, but captured from completely different cinematic angles. Front, face close, back, up, down, left-sided, side, far front close, and that's great feature. This feature alone allows you to build full cinematic sequences from a single image. I also generated a 10-second version without slow motion, and it still looks clean and professional. Once your videos are ready, you can download them, upscale to higher resolution, and edit directly inside Higgsfield. This workflow lets you produce cinematic content efficiently and at scale, without a production crew, cameras, or expensive software. And that's it, from a single image to a Hollywood-style cinematic video, including slow motion. Higgsfield Cinema Studio makes cinematic creation fast, simple, and consistent. You don't need cameras, rigs, or complex editing tools. Just one image, one prompt. Honestly, when you use this tool, you actually feel like a filmmaker. And yes, using Cinema Studio, you can create full movies. If you create just 1 minute of footage per day, you could finish a full cinematic film in 3 to 4 months. Scripts, image prompts, video prompts, you can generate them using ChatGPT, copy and paste, and build everything inside Higgsfield. From there, you can distribute your work on platforms like streaming services, licensing platforms, or monetized channels, all made possible with tools like this. Thanks to Higgsfield. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe for more AI tools and cinematic creation tutorials, and check the links in the description to try Higgsfield Cinema Studio yourself. Start creating cinematic videos today.